Hey, what's going on guys, Pizza Lakeoff here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create that kind of 3D effect for your videos or your images without using any additional plugins in Premiere Pro. So without wasting more time, let's jump straight to my laptop. Inside Premiere Pro I have already loaded this video, but you can use any images for this effect as well. So once we've uploaded the video, I'm going to click on it and go to effects. From there I'm going to type 3D, go down to it, grab it and apply it to the video layer. After that, I'm gonna move up to the effect control panel, scroll down and go to the basic 3D effects. And we can see that we've got swivel and tilt. Then I will change the swivel to 22 degrees and the tilt to minus 23 degrees. And straight away, I'm gonna create a keyframes by clicking onto that stopwatch. Next, I'm gonna move the cursor somewhere around the middle of the video and change the swivel to 50 degrees and the tilt to minus 22. And straight away, this will automatically create our second keyframes. Then I'm gonna select them, the left button of the mouse and ease in. And I'm gonna select the first keyframes and ease out. After that, I will move the second keyframes at the end of the video. But now you can see that we've got this black space into the screen. And ideally, we don't want this in our video. So to fix this, I'll go up to the motion. And from there, I'm going to move the cursor at the beginning of the video and increase the scale like that. And also, I'm going to change the position. I'm going to move it to the right and then beat down like this and create our first keyframe onto the position. Then I'm going to move the cursor further down the video, but now you can see again we've got a black space, so I have to change the position again. I'm going to move it to the left like that and move down. Perfect. So let's move the cursor and this fix the black space issue. So once we've created those keyframes at the position, we're going to select the second one, left button, temporal interpolation and ease in. Select the second one and ease out. So let's see what we have so far. All right, and it doesn't look too bad. We've got this 3D effect, but we can make it better. And to do this, we're gonna use the blur effect so we can create some blurriness at the background. So to do this, I'll go back down to effects and type Gaussian. And I'm gonna go down and grab the Gaussian blur effect and apply it to the video. Next, I'll move down to the Gaussian blur and increase the blurriness up to, let's say, 16. It's a good amount of blurriness. But I don't want the whole screen to be blurred. I want just a particular parts of the video to be blurred. To achieve that, I'll move the cursor at the beginning and I'll go down to Gaussian blur and I'll select ellipse mask. And I'm gonna grab it and move it up to the playhead timer over there and make it smaller. But now you can see that we've got the blurriness inside the mask. So I want to change that and have blurriness outside the mask. So to do this, I'll go down and click on inverted. And voila, we've got blurriness outside the mask and clear background inside the mask. But I want also this mask to move down into the timeline where is the video layer. So to do this, I'm gonna go to the mask parts and create a keyframe. Once we have created this keyframe, I'm going to click again to the mask and move the cursor up into the video like that. And also move the mask further down over here like that. And increase it. Make it bigger. Once we set up the mask, I'm going to go back to the mask feather and increase it up to 203. So this is going to give us these smooth edges onto the mask. So I'm going to select the second keyframe and put it at the end of the video. And with the Gaussian blur effect applied, that was the last step of this tutorial. So let's see the final result. With that, I will conclude this Premiere Pro tutorial, and if you want to see more of it, you can check the videos at the end of this one. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did so, please smash that like button and subscribe my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.